Hey guys, in this today's video, we will see how you can make a game or a app you want. Like I have made this drifting game. Yes, you can make it with any nothing coding. Yeah, no coding. Yes. Do you want to learn? Please and subscribe my channel and watch the full video. Now you have to go to ChatGPT. And now I had gone to ChatGPT. Here you have to go and search make a game of drifting. Like I am going to make drifting game. You can make any of the ideas. There are too much ideas in the world. I am going to make a game of drifting for me to play, and also I am making it from Lovable app. Give me a detailed prompt. Now you have to send it to ChatGPT. He will give you all the whole prompt. You have to see all the prompt. Is it correct? Not. It's mostly correct. Now you have to copy the prompt. Now I had copied the prompt. Let's see whether it is wrong or not. So it's giving all its response. Now you have to go to this app, which is Lovable. It gives make games and apps without any coding. So here you have to put your copied text. I had put it, and after you have to hit the arrow button which is beside it. It's gone. Now I had hit the arrow button. So this is my response, and I have talked to him and it made a game like this. So here it's taking too much time. Yes, then this is my video. Whole game it's made. It's taking too much reload because it's high-end game. And now there is a beside a option where you can publish your app. Means there is a blue option. Yeah, we have to click there. This is the game. Now you can see by playing it. I love this game. So now you have to copy the text, means the link. Now you have to search in Google median.co. Here you have to go. You have to go in Google, so you have no need to sign in. So here I have searched median.co, and here you have to paste that link. Now you have to give here your email ID. You have to put here your logo. Now I have a BMW logo which I am going to put here. Now its logo and all is done. You have to save, which is come down that option. Now there is an option in sidebar. There is a download option. The last fourth number, yes, that one. So we have to click the build, and it will build the APK and AAB file which we need to publish it on Play Store. So here the APK and AAB file it will give after building. So let's wait. It takes too much time for it. Now we have to click the download, and I will download APK file so I can download it and show it how this has become. So I have downloaded it. I can go in Google Chrome and downloads, and can see that APK file. So these are my all apps, and here I will install and just play. So this is my app. It's loading. This is my interface. Now you can see how much good it is. I've rotated my screen, and firstly you have to do guess, and then see it's a drifting whole game. and it have some much effects. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our video.